Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We are checking out another new product drop from RENOGY. They got their 320-watt N-type solar panel. I'm super excited about this because they did make the smaller versions first. Now they're finally applying the N-type to their larger solar panels. The 320-watt is now available, and if you want to get one of these, there's a pretty good discount going on. Plus, you can use our promo code to drop the price even more. Use that promo code ADVENTURETECH in the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get that good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, stick around. We're going to be checking out all the details on this new 320-watt N-type solar panel from RENOGY. These are super compact, 25% cell efficiency, lightest and most compact 320-watt N-type rigid solar panel that you can get because it's got 18 bus bar design, giving it that efficiency, IP68 water and dust proof, 13.5% smaller and 17.2% lighter. And something great about the 18 bus bar design, the N-type solar cells, you get enhanced performance in high temperatures. Perfect for tiny home, backyard, and for your rig. So you got compact power and it's easy wired. Two 320-watt panels use less space and require fewer connections than 6 100-watt panels, creating a cleaner, more efficient setup for tight spaces. And this is the real-world size comparison. The solar panel is slightly smaller than a standard 80 by 36-inch entryway. These are 34.7 1.4 inches thick and 64.6 inches long. So double check to make sure it's going to fit your setup. Unstoppable under the sun, these N-type cells keep delivering strong power even under scorching sun and blazing temperatures. 10-watt less power loss, 10-watt less power loss in high heat using N-type cells. At maximum operating temperature, the N-type cells generate approximately 4% more power than PERC panel cells. You got rust-proof aluminum frames, ready for every mile, tough frame and upgraded materials that handle bumps, heat, and everyday wear. You can handle a snow load of 113 pounds per square foot. No worries, even under a blanket of snow. Up to 1.5 meters of snow, so even heavy winter storms won't weigh you down. So that also means it can handle some serious wind. It's tough enough to handle 12-level gales and hurricane-force winds on the road or on the rooftop. With the rigid aluminum frame, you got flexible mounting options and it's a hassle-free setup. Pre-drilled for fast installation, flat tilted or on a pole, fits your system your way. And this is scalable power. It's a safer system to use. Easily connect panels in series or parallel to build the off-grid system that fits your controllers the way you need it to. That's giving you a versatile power for any off-grid adventure, whether it's your RV roof, forest cabin, or your backyard shed. This panel delivers reliable solar energy wherever you need it most. And once you get this power coming in, it's a great feeling. So there's a discount going on right now, dropping the price below $600 for a 2-pack of these, which is pretty good. Plus, you can use our promo code ADVENTURETECH to drop that price even more. Use the links in the comments or the description to get right over to this page. Check it out for yourself. Help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Everybody else, feel free to subscribe by clicking that subscribe button, but make sure to click that bell icon. You'll be one of the first people over here to hear about all this brand new tech.